Today on Healthy You, I'll show you how to make roasted cauliflower with seasoned rice that's budget-friendly, easy, and so delicious it will become the star of your dinner. Want to know the secret to a colorful, healthy meal that leaves everyone asking for more? Then hit that like button now and subscribe to Healthy You so you don't miss any practical recipes that will turn your kitchen into a flavor show. This recipe is perfect for anyone who wants to eat well without complications, and I promise you'll be surprised by the result. Curious to discover how a simple cauliflower can become an unforgettable dish? Stay with me until the end, because I'll guide you step by step and share exclusive tips that only Healthy You subscribers get. Let's cook together and make your next meal shine. And to further help you on your healthy weight loss journey, I want to introduce you to something incredible, an ebook with 500 healthy recipes. Hundreds of delicious and practical options that will inspire you to create tasty and nutritious dishes every day. Click the link in the description to get yours. Let's check out the ingredients. For the roasted cauliflower, you'll need 1 medium cauliflower, butter to garlic cloves, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, honey, and turmeric. For the seasoned rice, grab an onion, a sweet potato, a red chili pepper, rice, olive oil, salt, and green onions. Everything is super easy to find at the market, and the best part, it fits right into your budget. Here's a tip. If you prefer less heat, replace the chili with bell pepper or just use a little. Let's start with the cauliflower. First, wash the cauliflower well and cut it into large florets. Place them in a pot with boiling water and cook for 5 minutes. Drain, let cool slightly, and cut the florets in half. Now, line a baking tray with parchment paper and arrange the florets. Melt 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. Mix with 2 minced garlic cloves, and brush this mixture over the cauliflower. Place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Enjoying the recipe so far? Leave a heart in the comments so I know you're with me. After 10 minutes, remove the cauliflower from the oven and brush this delicious sauce over the florets. Return to the oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for another 10 minutes. While the cauliflower roasts, let's prepare the seasoned rice. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Saute 1 diced onion until translucent. Add 1 sweet potato cut into small cubes and saute for a few minutes. Stir in 1 chopped red chili pepper, mix well, then add 1 cup of uncooked rice, about 200 grams. Mix to incorporate the flavors, pour into cups of water, season with salt to taste, cover the skillet, and let cook over low heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check the rice and sweet potato. If they're not fully cooked yet, add a little more water, cover, and cook for a few more minutes until tender. Once ready, mix in some chopped green onions for that fresh and colorful touch. Now let's plate it up. Serve a portion of the seasoned rice with sweet potato and chili, and alongside place the roasted cauliflower. It's crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and with that irresistible sweet and savory flavor. Look how beautiful this dish turned out. The cauliflower has a golden touch, bursting with flavor from the sauce, and the rice is creamy, with that homemade taste that warms the heart. And the best part, this recipe is super healthy, full of fiber and nutrients, perfect for anyone who wants to eat well and even lose weight without giving up on flavor. Who here needs to lose weight? Tell me in the comments. I need to lose weight, so I know you watched until the end. And if you want even more delicious and healthy recipes to accompany you on this journey, don't miss the ebook with 500 recipes. It's packed with incredible and creative options, perfect for those looking for nutritious and tasty meals. Click the link in the description and get yours now. Don't waste any more time, invest in yourself and your health. Subscribe to Healthy You and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. If you like this recipe, share it with someone who loves cooking and leave your like to support the channel. Thanks for cooking with me. See you next time, and let's keep making meals that warm the heart.